A lot of us use this just for cute outfits, new recipes, and how to decorate your house. But believe it or not, Pinterest is a huge moneymaker for a lot of folks. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about how you can utilize the power of Pinterest with affiliate marketing to add another stream of income this year. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Belle. If you're new here and you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to the channel below and give this video a big thumbs up for me to let YouTube know that you like what it is that I'm doing here. So let's dive right in. So Pinterest is massive. Oftentimes when we think about Pinterest, we think about Pinterest in a way that Pinterest is solely for recipes, decorating your house, finding cute outfits for vacation. But no, Pinterest is so much more than that. Pinterest is a powerful platform. If used correctly, you can earn thousands of dollars per month from it. So one method that we're going to take a look at in today's video is Pinterest affiliate. This method is another gold mine. As you know, folks on Pinterest are always looking. So if you can position yourself in front of customers that are looking for the things that you're offering them, through affiliate marketing, it's a win for everyone. How do you do it? Boom. First, think about what niche you want to be in. If you're someone who's into fitness, someone who's into lifestyle, someone who's into hair, nails, decor, make money online, whatever niche you choose, pick a niche or even pick a few. Because Pinterest allows you to be a little bit more creative that way. So you don't have to really niche down. So pick a niche or a few. After picking a niche, you go now and find different affiliate marketing websites. There are a ton that you can pick, but one of the easiest ones that we all know is Amazon. So you sign up for the Amazon partnership where you then get your own personalized link for all their products that they have on their website. So now that you have your niche, you have an affiliate marketing partner, the next step is to create your Pinterest account. Doing so is really easy. You head over to pinterest.com and you create new. You can use an old email account or you can create an entire new one for this venture. So I would recommend you create a new one. So you create your new email, use Google, nice and simple. Create your new email. You then now create your new account. You name it what you want to name it. Let's say it's fitness. So you can be like Fitness by Belle. Yeah, Fitness by Belle. So you name it what you want to name it. After name it what you want, Fitness by Belle or Fitness with Belle, I don't know, whatever you choose. Then you have like little tagline, lose your belly weight fast with my proven tips. And then for the bio part, you can say your ultimate source for all things fitness, losing weight postpartum, getting your groove back, discover latest trends, and shop curated gym outfits in water bottles. I don't know. So I'm just saying that was just, you get the gist. So now you can either find another Pinterest account that's similar to yours so you can get inspirations on what kind of boards you should create. And once you get the kind of boards you want to create, we head over back to Amazon. So this is where the fun part begins. So we head over to Amazon. On Amazon, you can click down on all and shop by departments. And shopping by departments allow you to see exactly what you're looking for. So since we're doing fitness will be under sports and outdoors where it says exercise and fitness. You click on exercise and fitness, then you see all of it. Cardio equipment, Pilates, swimming, speed training, connected fitness, recovery, outfits, everything you can think of is there. So imagine you're someone who's looking to lose weight in the new year. What are some things that you usually think about? Think about new sneakers, think about new water bottles, maybe new gym outfits, hair ties, whatever that you need. And oftentimes Amazon has all the top brands and they let you know what the best sellers are, meaning that what folks are looking for right now. And it's super simple. So then you head into, let's say we find these dumbbells, we really like them, They have a ton of great reviews, and we want to share this with our users on Pinterest. You can share this directly from Amazon onto Pinterest, but we have to make sure that our affiliate link is involved, because we're not doing this for nothing, because we're looking to bring in some extra cash. So you'll then go and copy your affiliate link and then head over to Pinterest, one of the boards that you created for the dumbbells. Head into the board, and then you click create pin at the bottom. There's a little plus sign, create pin. And if you notice, you can save from the URL, or you can drag and drop the file. So Pinterest has now made it so much easier to be able to save pins. So now you can just paste your affiliate link that's from Amazon, and Amazon will pull, and Pinterest will pull up the entire thing for you. Entire thing. So the picture, the title, the description, Pinterest will pull it all. So you will already have a well-optimized post without having to do all that work yourself like we had to do back in the day. So you will have that well-optimized post ready to go. So now your post is ready to go. You know, you have the picture, you have the link, you have the description on what it is, and you've posted in your new Pinterest board. And some ways that you can get yourself out there a little bit more that the old blogger ways would tell you is to get invited to certain Pinterest groups. So to do so, you can either join different Pinterest groups on Facebook, or search for those groups on Pinterest themselves and try to reach out to the owner. Being that a lot of people are busy, sometimes it's quite hard to get in contact with these people. I remember reaching out to a Pinterest group owner, and she took 6 years to get back to me. She took 6 years to get back to me. So that method may be slow. It may be a slow burn, but it does work. Because once you get into those groups that are active with hundreds of thousands of users, you get to showcase your pen and put your pen out there to increase the chances of it being clicked, and then for the person to head over to Amazon while using your affiliate link, and that's where the magic happens. Now if you're like, okay Belle, since that method takes a little bit of time, what do you recommend? What I recommend is that now you become an active Pinterest user. You try to pin 3 to 5, if not 7 pins per day to really show Pinterest that you're interested and engaged with your profile. That way it will push a lot of your pins up to the front, so when people are searching for a Stanley tumbler, yours will be one of the ones that push up. This method is a fantastic method for someone that's just getting started and you don't really want to show your face on video. So this method is a great faceless method to do. And the best part, once again, it's open worldwide. Doesn't really matter where you are. You can do this method in some shape or form. You would have to double check when it comes to the affiliate product that you're advertising to make sure that it's available in your country. But when it comes to using Pinterest to push out those pins, you can be anywhere to do so. So this method is great for someone who's an introvert, who doesn't want to talk to anyone, who doesn't want to be seen, who doesn't want to, like, you know, show themselves. So this method is really good for someone who doesn't have a whole lot of time and don't want to be glued to their computer all day, all night. Besides this way of pinning affiliate marketing type things, you can also create a stand store and have other places that you might send your user to who clicks on your profile. So if you're someone who found success in Pinterest affiliates, you too can create an ebook and then sell that to those users who may be looking for ways to make money online. Honestly, guys, the methods are endless. You just have to put yourself out there, be consistent when creating, be consistent when it comes to showing up, and just keep going. Like, you have to have resiliency. You can't do it one time and stop. But there are plenty of ways to make income online nowadays that if you're not doing so, and you need to do so, there's really no excuse. So y'all definitely check out Pinterest affiliate marketing. It's a great way to make extra income. And best way, this can almost become a passive way to make money, because you can have a pin that goes mega viral on Pinterest, that people keep seeing it, people keep clicking on it, going to Amazon, buying things day in, day out, day in, day out, and really allows you to make passive income without having to constantly work at something. So you can pin a pin once and it goes crazy viral, and it can pay you for a very long time afterwards. If you haven't already and you made it this far in this video and you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please be sure to do so. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up for me to let YouTube know that you like what it is that I'm doing here. And it really helps me going, you know, it really does. So I appreciate you guys making it this far. I hope you found this resourceful. If you have any questions about how to use Pinterest affiliate marketing, please be sure to leave them down below. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions and see how I can help. So I have an ebook coming out on different side hustles that you guys can do that gives extra details on different side hustles that you guys can start this year. Be sure to be on the lookout for that very soon. So yeah, so that's all I have in today's video. Thank you so much for joining and tuning in. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.